Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MARA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Done this analysis the past couple of days, including yesterday on Wednesday, so that is where the red and green line notations are coming from. And after today's price movement, definitely a great move, and definitely updates need to be done. First, I'm going to do some house cleaning, just get rid of that line down there. Sure, that level pertains, just not relevant right now, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. The first big update that comes about is based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So one of the newest areas of support is right there at the 465 mark. And what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if I ask Clay, what would make this chart look the best? Certainly if the price can stay up above 465. With that said, don't get me wrong, it's not like if the price falls below that level, then that implies the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can stay up above that area, that would certainly be a fantastic sign of power. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line's going to move itself higher and higher, which is very, very helpful. As I've said in past videos, it's helpful because when it comes to just gauging the health of the overall move, that right there I'm defining as the overall move. Just watch the purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that? That is what has been represented. Now, again, as far as levels of resistance, and I say again because if you watch the past videos, you've heard me say this, but I'm going to continue to say it because it's perfectly being illustrated. But when it comes to levels of resistance, they just don't matter. And what I mean is what matters the most is what the price just continues to do. And that's right there, build those higher lows, or if you want to envision these as stair steps. So as long as the stair steps continue to be constructed in the upwards direction, then everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking areas of resistance. So focus on those healthy consolidations and just sit back and enjoy the trend. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.